best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Alright guys, it's not completed, but here's what it looks like after my mom left. Brylees already thrown laundry on the floor. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you Brylees' room makeover. She is 12, but she's wanting like a more grown-up room. I kind of really didn't get her before, but my mom came and visited and painted Brylees' room and furniture, and we redecorated. She wanted like black, white, and gold. So I'm going to show you the process. We're already almost finished. My mom's coming back in a week. She lives kind of far away. We're going to finish up a few things, but yeah, I can't wait for you to see it. Okay, so she just painted this desk and put those knobs on. Over here we're going to make a shelf to put all of her My Hero Academia and Stranger Things stuff up here on this wall, because that's what she's into. We're going to make a little seating area over here and find a better place for this mirror, which might actually be in the bathroom. I'm not sure yet. And then we painted the dresser, or actually my mom did all of this. I bought some of the decorations. She did everything else. But she painted the dresser, put these knobs on. We got to get a few more for these drawers. Got this stuff up here. We're going to hang that picture. Most of the stuff we got at Hobby Lobby. Got these curtains at Marshall's. This is an old vanity my mother-in-law gave me. I found this little jewelry tray at Marshall's. This little Impressions vanity company mirror and light. And then she's got her little ring light set up here. This is my old bed that she's had for a while. My mom just painted it white. She spray painted the legs of these little side tables. There's one on the other side. I used one of my old milk glass vases, and then Brylees picked this little clock. And yeah, most of the stuff is Hobby Lobby and Marshall's. Like I said, Brylees picked this candle from Marshall's. It's called Sensational Storm Coconut Blend, but it's just a black and white candle. I think we got that at Hobby Lobby. Got this little trash can. Can't remember, maybe Walmart. The mirror's from Walmart. I put the gold stickers on it. This little table's from Hobby Lobby. She's got her little mini fridge here. That is not going to stay there. Hobby Lobby, Marshall's, that's not going to stay there. It's already kind of getting messy. But we will do a full before and after and a room tour. This is just the process. And then here's her bathroom. We got a black shower curtain, some black bath towels. We got this Hobby Lobby sign. It says turn your bubbles into trouble, or no, turn your troubles into bubbles. I need a nap, y'all. I've been cleaning all day. Some storage for the girl stuff. This mat. Hi. I look rough today. Like I said, I've been cleaning all day, so anyway. We got this stuff at Hobby Lobby, except for the perfume. Got her soap. This was a gift from a friend who actually painted that. Put that up there. Yeah, and we're probably going to put the mirror back here possibly, or somewhere else in her room, but we have this wainscoting, so it's kind of difficult to hang. And yeah, I want to find her some chairs to go over here. And then we would eventually like to pull up this really disgusting carpet, because this has been her room for like 7-8 years now, and we've had lots of kids in here, lots of spills, and the carpet was not that great actually when we moved in. So I'd like to pull that up and put down some like vinyl hardwood looking stuff eventually, so that will be next. Hopefully soon, actually. So this is what it looks like 6 months later. Full-on teenage room. Still sort of a mess, excuse the mess. This busted. She moved the shoe rack over here. I absolutely hate where it's at. It was in her closet, so. But she likes having it behind her door. Easy to get to all of her shoes, so.